In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple pages in Notion. If you often find yourself jumping between different sections of your workspace, this simple method will help you keep everything accessible so you can work more efficiently and stay organized. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to manage multiple pages at once without losing your place. Start by going to your Notion dashboard. This is the main view where all your pages are displayed, either in the sidebar or on your home screen. Once you're there, place one finger on the Control key on your keyboard and hold it down. While holding Control, click the page you want to open. Your browser will instantly open that page in a new tab, leaving your current Notion tab intact. This allows you to switch between pages without losing your spot, making multitasking much smoother. You can repeat this action for as many pages as you need. Press Control, click another page, and it will open in a new tab. Press Control again to open a third page, and so on. You don't have to hold the key continuously between clicks. Just press it before each page you want to open. Within moments, you'll have a row of tabs across the top of your browser, each containing the exact page you need. This technique is particularly useful when comparing documents, transferring notes between pages, or keeping a task list visible while reviewing a project plan. Instead of navigating back and forth within a single tab, you can glance across tabs and switch instantly. You can even drag tabs to reorder them, pin the most important ones if your browser allows it, or close a tab when you're finished to keep your workspace neat and organized. If a page opens in the same tab instead of a new one, double-check that you press the Control key before clicking, and make sure your click lands directly on the page title or link inside Notion. Also, be aware that opening too many tabs at once can slow down your browser, so it's a good idea to only open the pages you need and close any that are no longer necessary. And that's all there is to it. Hold Control, click the pages you want, and each one will open in its own tab while your current view remains open. This is a quick and reliable way to work across multiple pages without losing your place. Try this technique on your dashboard. Set up the tabs you need for your workflow and enjoy a faster, more efficient Notion experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.